Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video, we will learn how to add users to your WordPress blog or website. When users register on your WordPress blog or website, you get an email notification, so you always know when new users register, and you can then get into your dashboard and edit the user's role. To add users, click on Users. After that, click on Add New. Now here you have to fill the user details. Fill in all the required fields to proceed further. As you can see, I have filled my user detail. Username. Enter the unique username, which you want to display on website. Email. Enter the valid email address. The user receives notifications from the site at this email address. First name. Enter the user's first name. Last name. Enter the user's last name. Website. Enter the URL for the user's website. Password. Enter the password. Send user notification. Send password to the new user by email checkbox. The user will receive an email. Role. Select the particular role from the drop-down. Subscriber. The subscriber can only read and comment on the posts. Subscribers are the ones who have signed into your account to receive updates. Contributor. The contributor can only write and edit their posts until published. They can create their own posts and pages but cannot publish them. They cannot upload images or files but can see your site status. When they want to publish any post, it must be first notified personally to the administrator for review. When the post is approved, the contributor cannot make any changes once published. Author. The author can only write posts, upload pictures, edit, and publish their own posts. Editor. The editor has access to all the posts, pages, comments, categories, tags, and links. They can create, publish, edit, or delete any posts or pages. Administrator. The administrator has all the rights. An admin can do anything and everything on the WordPress site, such as creating more admins, inviting more users, and also removing them. So this is how you can add users in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.